Good day everyone. Today I will discuss the irrigation design for a 1 hectare vegetable farm. Part 1. Compute water requirement discharge. 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters squared needs 600 millimeter of water per day. Convert depth to volume, then to discharge flow rate in meter and cubic meter and letters. So the goal here is to find how much water is needed and the flow rate. So water depth is 60 millimeter is equal to 0.060 meter. And we have the area of 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters squared, and the formula has volume equals the area multiplied to depth. And if we compute them, we have the 10,000 multiplied to 0.060, and it equals to 600 cubic meter per day. So this means the farm needs 600 cubic meters of water every day. Step 2, convert to cubic meters or flow rate. So we have the one day is equals to 24, and then it multiplied to 3,600 is equals to 86,400 seconds. The flow rate is volume divide time equals 600 meters cubic meter divide 86,400 seconds is equals to 0.006 6,000 6,006 lente naman equals to 0.0069444 cubic meter. So step 3, convert to letters. So 1 cubic meters is equals to 1,000 letters. So flow rate is equals to 0.0069444 cubic meters multiplied to 1,000 is equals to 6.944 letters equals to 6.94 letters. Part 2. Part 2 is to design irrigation canal. So we have the triangular shape of our canal. So the goal here is to design a canal that can carry the water. The flow rate is equals to 0.006944 cubic meters, and the velocity is 0.05 meters squared. So the step 1 is we have the formula of area equal to flow rate divided to velocity. And if we compute, area equals to 0.06944 divided to 0.5, and the area is equals to 0.013888 cubic meter squared. And step 2, use the triangle formula. So area of triangle area equal to B multiplied to D divide to 2, where B equal width, D equals depth. So step 3, choose depth. Let depth D equal 0.20 meters. Step 4, solve for width. Formula B equal 2 multiply to area divide to D. And if we compute, B is equal to 2 multiply to 0.013888 and divide to 0.20. B is equals to 0.13888 meter, and then it equals to 0.14 meter. So the result is depth is equals to 0.20 meter and the width is equals to 0.14 meter. So this is a small canal, good for irrigation. And let's check for velocity formula. So velocity is equals to flow rate divided to area. And if we compute velocity, equals 0.006944 divide to 0.01 3888, and it equals to 0.05 meters squared. So this is within safe range. So pump horse. The goal here is to find how strong the pump should be. So we have the given flow rate is equals to 6.94 letters, and each head is equals to 9 meter. The efficiency is equals to 0.6. So step 1, convert flow to letters per minute. So compute 6.94 multiply to 60 is equals to 416.4 letters per minute. Step 2 is to convert to GPM. 1 letter is equals to 0.264172 gallons. And if we compute 416.4 multiply to 0.264772 is equals to 110 GPM. In step 3, convert height to feet. So 9 meter is equals to 29.53 feet. Step 4 is apply formula. The formula is HP equals flow rate multiply to head or each and divide to 3,960 multiply to efficiency. And if we compute, HP is equals to 110 multiply to 29.53 divide to 3,960 multiply to 0.60. And HP has equals 1.37 HP. The metric check or more accurate. The formula is P equals P multiplied to G multiplied to Q and multiplied to H. And also let's divide it to efficiency, and the result is equals to 1.2 kilowatts is equals to 1.6 HP. So ram pump and application. So what is a ram pump? A pump that works without electricity, uses moving water energy. So how it works? So it works by water flows down. Second is pressure builds by water hammer. Third is pushes some water upward. We need to use. There is continuous flowing water. There is a high difference in this project. So source is 30 meter away. The height difference is 9 meter. So problem is no strong natural drop. Ram pump may not work well. So the pump about 2 to 3 HP. Ram pump only if natural drop exists.